Okay, thank you. I will start by quoting our Lebanese poet Gibran Khalil Gibran, who wrote, what counts in life is what you do to others, not what you do to yourself. What this hour changed is the following, that first of all, Gibran Khalil Gibran never said this. It's my friend Farid this morning on the phone who said it. But before the hour, I would say a lot of serious things. No one would ever take it seriously. After the hour, I could say a lot of unserious things, and people would think, what philosophy and what's behind it. So this is, I think, what the hour, it will help me package better my messages. So thank you for that little push, guys. So tonight, anybody of you ever took a child to FAO Schwartz or a toy shop and asked the child to choose one toy? I did it once, and trust me, the child is not able to choose a toy, because he would grab a toy, then drop it, go for another toy, for a third toy, and the child will not be able to choose one toy. So tonight, I don't know whom to hug. My French friends, my Turkish friends, my Lebanese friends, my Ecuadorian friends. I don't know who to hug, who to kiss. So you definitely put me in an embarrassing situation. I am like this child in that FAO Schwartz, not being able to choose my toy. So thank you for spoiling me. No thanks, because in all thanks you always forget one thank, and it's the end of the world, so no thank. I will start with a small game. For the question, if you can just raise your hand. How many of us ever met a Palestinian child living in a refugee camp? How many of you really physically met or touched? I see it is a minority compared to the group. How many of us ever met a Jewish child who lost a father, or a father who lost his child in a bomb or an attack? How many of you met? As well, it's a minority. How many of you visited Turkey? Okay, you got me, sorry. It was not on the program. But still, there is the other half who never did it. So, what I mean, how can you give an opinion, know the other, discover the other, propose solutions, political, in the private sector, if you don't meet and discover the other? How can a French politician decide if Turkey has to enter or not the European Union, and give his opinion that an Islamic country should not enter, if he or she never visited Turkey or never met a Turkish person? So the name of the game is meet and discover the other. And thank you, Inter-American Economic Council, for playing the game tonight. We are all nationalities, all religion. Any excuse for meeting and discovering the other has to be saluted and encouraged. So we have all nationalities, all religion. Thank you, guys. Thank you for making this happen. Yes, we want education in the Arab world. We want awakening of the woman. All this still is in the meet the other headlines. But as well, we want to create a reason to live, not a reason to die for those who have not. And the game is between those who have and those who have not. And it is the duty of those who have to go visit, meet, and share with those who have not. Otherwise, a bad neighborhood you don't visit will visit you one day without asking any permission. So it is, since the prestigious audience here belongs to those who have, it is definitely your duty to go and visit and share and meet the part of those who have not. Let us not wait for governments and big organizations. They are heavy machines, they don't move. And actually, I don't believe in big organizations. I believe in the power of one. Big achievements were only done by the power of one. De Gaulle was a crazy guy in London with a crazy idea. He was alone. When the wind started blowing positively, everybody became a resistant, and de Gaulle became very in and fashionable. We were once with Rita at the Rambla in Barcelona, and the whole traffic was blocked. What's happening? A car having a problem, engine problem. And everybody's watching. I tell to the guy, please go to your car, and I started pushing. It is then that 100 came in and started pushing. You have a car accident, you have 1 million voyeurs on the street, but no one thinks that there is somebody who's injured and needs help. The first one that steps in, then after the Red Cross and the Red Crescent and everybody follows. So I am a believer of the power of one. So in order for us to meet and discover the other and make the world a better place to be, we should start ourselves. Governments will follow. They will feel embarrassed because they are late. Do it yourself and the governments will follow. But do it, these are serious matters, under one condition. Do it without taking yourself seriously. You don't need to have a very sad face to handle serious matters. Where is Eddie here? If you watch the audience of the World Bank gatherings in September in New York, you have all the participants, they have faces as if they are going to a condolence with attaché case, as if a smiling face is not compatible with serious matter. So, guys, the power of one is our secret. Let's do it with a smile. Let's have fun. Let's party, and let the music play. Thank you very much.